Hmm?
Suit.
Lose your tee? You don't have to have a tee. Just put it in the grass. He'll set up in the grass. You can hit it off the grass.
Okay. Ready?
Ready. That's the way. Get all loose. Yeah. Oh, good shot. Good shot. Like, now go like this, Corbin. Go like this. Go. Like this. There you go. Like this. Like this.
Okay. Let me try again. Ow. Mandy, can I try that one? Yeah. Give it to me.
I'm getting cold.
Okay, Daddy. Okay, you take care of this one, Mommy.
Okay. Okay.
This is for golfing.
Okay.
This side?
Hit it with this way. Yeah, hit it with that right there. This side right here is what you hit it with.
You don't use it.
There you go. That's the way. There you go. There you go. Now you're ready. That's the way. That's it. You did it right that last time. That was great.
This one was
That's the way. Whoa! He's a good golfer. Look at that form. That's perfect form.
Yeah, forward. That's a perfect forward.
Perfect form. I'm not going to. I'm not. He's too good. You're too good, buddy. You're just too good.
Yeah.
That's the way. I gotta get Aunt Jane to see you. What? I gotta get Aunt Jane.
Gloves cracking up.
I gotta get Aunt. I want Aunt Jane to see how good you are.
Okay, what you doing about it? Like this?
Whoa!
Nice shot.
I hit some guy's windshield when we were playing mini golf at Branson. It was hilarious.
That was hilarious.
It was hilarious.
Oh yeah, sure. It was hilarious.
I want Aunt Jane to see how good you are.
Watch out, Jane.
We're gonna put this off. You won't step on these because they'll bend. You need to keep
Yeah,
off
they're
them. Step
kinda
on
cheap.
them.
Watch this, Jane.
Now, wait. Aunt Jane.
Okay.
Okay.
I barely hit.
Get loose. Get loose. Yeah, that's part. Yeah, there you go. That's Tiger.
Whoa! Good job.
No.
What?
Hey, I'll help you then.
Okay.
Think the club's just a little too short for you, Lindsay?
Yeah.
Don't hit Lindsay. Get back, Lindsay. He'll hit you right in the teeth.
We were near Branson. We were
Okay,
playing
Lindsay,
mini
let's
golf.
do a kiss
I hit some
together.
guy's windshield.
Lindsay, let's do a kiss together.
And then I went like that and it looked good.
Lindsay, let's do a kiss together.
Okay. Ready?
Don't stand behind him. Oh.
I'm
He hit you. It's gonna hurt. Well. There you go. Now after you hit, do this. After you hit it,
Like this one, and then like this.
Corbin, listen.
after you hit it, go. After you hit it, go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing's too short.
Okay, let's do it, Lindsay.
Okay, good shot.
What
Now,
do you-
now.
Well,
There you go.
Hey, yo,
Whoa. Oh.
nice shot, Lindsay.
I gotta go in. I'm getting cold. I gotta go in.
Okay, go inside.
Okay.
And Jane will walk me.
I'll watch you.